That's the part.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
See, and
sorry.
now
Yeah,
it's
that's
less
the part.
scary because I know where it came from.
Okay.
But man, the first 10 times I listened to that, I was like, yeah.
Yeah,
Heartbreaking
now
to
you listen.
to it
Yeah, now if you
sometimes.
listen to it, like if you get too scared, just remember this is just a man's stomach
Just a
after
hungry
probably a
guy.
bunch of jalapenos.
Yeah, he was just like, I'm gonna record this. He's a genius, like this strange genius man decided, yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna make a recording of
He
this. I'm
had
sure it's
no
gonna be
idea the service he was giving.